Crude oil resumed the week on a slight bullish note where we have seen it moving towards 83.35 levels as we have in our previous many updates that 83.2 and 83.5, 83.6 is a greater resistance zone for crude oil. It is yet to break beyond this. Yes, it has tried to reverse, but it is still not to be treated bearish. While nat gas, after dropping towards 1.78, now showing a recovery. So, can we expect a bullish run for nat gas? Can we expect oil to follow too, or it is going to be the other way around where oil trading bearish while nat gas is going to take a bullish mode? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading crude oil and nat gas? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the update with the US session, and I do share twice a day updates for oil and gas, first with the Asia and Europe session and next with the US session. Thus, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and comment to get the updates. And this is great support. Yes, if you join the free Telegram channel, you will get the regular updates as well. And join the channel memberships on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we look into crude oil followed with nat gas. Watch this. See, crude oil on the hourly chart. First of all, it was trading in the bullish channel here, and yes, it has just come out of the bullish channel. Second thing is it was trading with divergence from the 20 period. It has come to take the support and resistance from the 20 period moving average. Now if you see it is staying above 83, we can initiate a buying entry here at 83, but as I have shared several times earlier, 83.2, 83.6 zone is going to remain the greater resistance. And if you see oil staying above 83.6, we can say now it is turning bullish. Moving averages are trading with divergence and are still staying bullish. Stochastic at bottom. See, MACD crossed over here at the top. And if you look at the hourly charts, it is trading with divergence. It suggests that there is still further room for oil to take a hit here. Be watchful. RSI coming out of the overbought zone, coming to 2 hour. On the 2-hour charts as well, see, prices have breached this. Prices are now looking towards to take the support from the 20 period moving average and the median of the Bollinger Bands. And thus 82.4, 82.2 is the zone which we are looking at. There is a strong possibility that it can move towards this, but I will still not treat this as bearish. Now see, the median here is somewhere at around 82.8. It is right now priced at the median. It has seen the highs. There is a possibility to move towards the lows. But only one observation here on the 2-hour charts is look at the diminishing body size, suggests that the bearishness got diminished, lower highs are seen, possibility of a bearish candle from here exists. Thus, if you see it is staying below 82.6 levels, we can initiate a selling entry here. Yes, when you see the higher prices below 82.6, you can initiate a selling entry. Expect oil to move towards 82.4, 82.2 zone and then below 82 as well. 82 is going to remain a greater support. If you look at the stochastic, this is dropped. MACD is willing to cross over for a sell. If you look at the MACD first wave, second wave initiating here means slight drop before it looks over to a rise. RSI coming out of the overbought zone here. Coming to 3-hour. Likewise on the 3-hour chart, see flat top here, and with the flat top, this was the bearish candle. Now second candle is in making, so possibly we are looking forward to 82.4, 82 levels. 82 is going to be indeed a very good support. So let's see, possibility is there that we may see slight bearish move here. And yes, buying confirmation is only and only if we see it is staying above 83. The stochastic has fallen vertically, it is looking downwards. The MACD is in green, it is looking to converge, crossover for a sell. And if you look at RSI, this has just come out of the overbought zone. Coming to 4-hour. Now look at 4-hour charts here. See, very strong base is created here at 80.5, 80.8 zone. We have been tracking oil since long, and I have mentioned that with that as support we may see a rise. It has formed double bottom and then this rise. Now what is happening? It is trying to form higher lows, higher highs. Thus, first of all, it can try to drop towards 82 or in fact further lows 81.8, 81.5 zone. But from there, those levels again a reversal cannot be denied, if not today, possibly by tomorrow, day after tomorrow. The stochastic has fallen vertically. MACD is in green. It is trying to converge. It has not yet crossed over, but remember it has formed a double bottom. It is scope for it to rise further. If you look at the RSI, this is dropped. Now coming to the daily, and before we look into the daily charts and I give you the trading levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can be part of my 30th mentorship batch starting on 8th of April. In this batch, we focus on two things. First is to give you the critical tools, techniques, and strategies which we have gathered with years of experience, with the help of which you can identify a profitable trade with ease. That is the first half of the trading, and the next half we'll focus on teaching you or giving you the art of trading profitably, and that's purely a skill which you have to develop with the help of the trade setups which we are going to teach. Do not miss this opportunity. Join the mentorship batch now. Also, you can be part of my signals channel. Trading as per the signals, you can benefit. So write an email or ping me on Telegram for your queries related to the services. The next is you can join the recommended broker. Many of you had asked me to recommend a safe broker which is available across the globe, where you can trade all the commodities, currencies, or any instrument from across the globe, which offers a swap-free account with the lowest spreads. You can find the recommended broker link in the channel and video description. Now look at the daily chart. Now see, crude on the daily charts, it has formed higher highs, it has formed lower lows. So range is defined, though I will still see if it drops below 82.6. Now see, first of all, look at these two candles. The bullishness got diminished, and then we can see a reversal, and see the divergence of the price from the moving average calls for it to converge as well. So what will happen, it may slowly move on the downside, wait for the moving average to climb up, take the support somewhere here at around 81.582 zone, and bounce back. So possibilities exist that today again we may see a slight drop further. Stochastic overbought. MACD is almost at the highs here, but it has further room for it to rise. See, double bottom, and since then it is just continuing on the upward direction. RSI has dropped. So considering this, I will recommend you to sell oil at 82.6. That is a selling entry. I will also share the buying entry, which is right now at 83. Now, first, if you're selling at 82.6, remember the support levels are very near. 82.4, 82.2 is going to remain a greater support. Then 81.8 and 81.5. These are two very important support levels here. Only and only if we see oil staying below 81.5 levels, we can say further bearishness may take it further down towards 80.5, 80.8 zone, which appears not the case that it is going to do today. Thus, you have to trade with caution as long as it stays above 80.5, 80.8 zone. On the upside, you can buy here at 83. When you see the higher prices, when you see the lower prices above 83, you can buy. And then see, it has to break beyond 83.2, 83.3 first resistance, then 83.5, 83.6 the second one. If and only if oil is seen trading above 83.5, 83.6, we can say the bulls are taking over towards 84. And then further to that, we are looking forward to a very good bull run in oil towards 85.5, 86.5 levels. So take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Now let's have a look at natural gas. See, natural gas, first of all, there was a swing here. It has come to take the support again from 1.78. We have mentioned several times 1.78 as a greater support. Now with that as support, this is the second bullish candle, and we expect that it is going to continue to deliver further bullish candles from here. Now, very important for gas to stay above 1.8486 zone and then 1.9 levels. If these two levels are taken, you can say it is completely turning bullish. Stochastic is rising. MACD is again trying to diverge, stay bullish here on the early charts. RSI is rising. Likewise on the 2-hour charts, bottom is getting created here at 1.78. With that as bottom, it is trying to rise 1.8284 and then 1.86 and 1.9 levels. Greater resistance exists there, but since it is consolidated enough, we will look forward to a breakout. Remember what has happened for gas here. It is trading still bearish. We have to wait for a breakout beyond 1.86 and then 1.9 zone in order to confirm a breakout. Stochastic rising, MACD is bullish, RSI is rising here. Coming to 3-hour, likewise on the 3-hour chart, see the rise, the retracement, support levels are intact, again rising. We have to wait for it to just break out beyond 1.84 and then 1.86 zone. That will be a confirmation of a rally. Stochastic rising, MACD bullish, RSI rising. And on the 4-hour charts, the observation is similar or same. Now, a selling entry, you can sell here at 1.8, but 1.78 is the zone it needs to break in order to confirm the bearishness, else it is still not to be treated bearish. The stochastic rising, MACD has crossed over here, it is trading with divergence, trading bullish, RSI is rising. Coming to daily, now look at daily charts, lower lows are done from the preceding candle and slightly higher highs. So it has to just come out of this zone here. That means it has to stay above 82.2 to 82.4 and in fact 82.6 zone in order to confirm the rise here. See, right now we can see lower highs and a flat bottom. Remember what gas has done on the daily charts: drop, retracement, drop, double bottom, and it is trying to rise. So breakout today is going to be a stronger one, where at least we will look forward to 1.9, and if it stays above 1.9, we are looking forward to very strong rise. Remember, triple bottom is done and it is looking forward to a rise. Stochastic rising, MACD is almost trading with slight divergence, RSI is rising. So considering this, it is very clear that nat gas has still lot much of room on the upside. You can buy here at 1.8 three levels, but then 1.8586 is where you should watch out for. If it stays above 1.86, we are looking forward to 1.9 levels, and that is going to be the critical milestone for net gas to break, because once it stays above 1.9, we will look forward to 2.05 and 2.2 levels very soon. This is the first part of it. Next part, where you can look forward to a sell, I will recommend you to sell here at 1.79 levels, but then 1.75, 1.775 and 1.76 is the zone it needs to break, and below which it should be treated bearish, else still not to be treated bearish. So take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, join the free Telegram channel for the live market updates. Do like, share and comment. Join the YouTube channel memberships as well and support the effort. Do watch the next update tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.